This is my Drift Hero mini bike build from Princess Auto. I bought this kit online for $350 plus taxes. It came out to about $390, and they regularly go for $500. I picked up this 6 horsepower Princess Auto Power Fist engine on Facebook. It was new but used for $100. And in order to get this to fit, you have to, first off, you have to re-drill the mounting holes, which is no big deal. I had to reheat the plastic air filter cover, and I used a metal bar just to indent it a bit. That fit nicely. Comes with disc brakes, and you have to remove the original muffler and put an aftermarket on because there's not enough clearance here. I had to buy another clutch. The clutch that comes in the kit is a 5/8, and I needed a 3/4. And I had to get a new chain, number 35 chain, because the one in the kit is too small. So that was the kit, or sorry, the chain was like $20, but you only need half of that. I custom fabricated this clutch cover. Got some steel from Home Depot. So all in all, the kit was $390. Half the chain was $10, so that's $400. The engine was another $100, so that's $500. The exhaust, these things aren't cheap. They're like $60 to $70, so that's $570. And the clutch on Amazon was another $30. So you're looking at about a $600 build. Turned out really well though. Here's my second Drift Hero mini bike kit. I had this Predator 79cc engine lying around, so I bought another kit on sale again. And even with this engine, I had to re-drill the mounting holes to get this engine to sit properly. With these Predator engines, they don't come with a fuel shutoff, so I added a fuel shutoff there. Added some aftermarket air filters, but if you had the stock air filter, it'd work no problem. There's lots of clearance. And then with this disc brake, I had a little bit more problems with this one. I had to adjust it quite a bit just so it wouldn't rub. As you can see, the muffler, there's a lot of clearance. Just got to throw in a chain guard. Another simple build.